What is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily use QuickBooks on eBay business. So without further ado, let's dive into the video. So all you have to do is just log into your eBay account or easily just create an account. But you can also just log in or sign up using your Google account, Facebook account, and Apple account. Then in the QuickBooks webpage, you just have to select the plan that's best for you just by creating an account. If you still doesn't have one, then just select a plan. And in the left panel of your QuickBooks dashboard, just hover your mouse to apps, then click on Find Apps. So in the search bar, just search eBay, then click on eBay Connector by Intuit. So from here, just click on Get App Now. From here, you will be asked permission to connect eBay to QuickBooks. Just click on Connect. So in the Zapier webpage, you can also create integrations between eBay and QuickBooks just by clicking on Connect these apps. So from here, you can now create integrations, customize events, and more. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!